On a 45 amp hour?
That's it. Yeah, for now.
For now?
Yeah. For now.
So what does that mean? Upgrades or?
Yeah.
Oh wow. 8K. Wow.
Yes sir. Go big.
What are you wired to on it?
Say that again.
What is it wired to?
1 ohm.
1 ohm. Okay.
On now.
On a 45 amp hour?
That's it. Yeah. For now.
For now?
Yeah. For now.
So what does that mean? Upgrades or?
Yeah. My Souls was supposed to be in here yesterday, but they coming though.
They're coming? What are you going to?
Sundown X Series D2s.
Okay.
Drop it down to a half ohm.
Half ohm?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear it. What size alternator?
I got a Brand X 230 alternator. And here I got two ZBX 15s.
Okay.
They D1s.
You built this?
No, I had a buddy, Thomas
They
Chester.
had to build it in the vehicle.
And Chad that's sitting out there, he's the one that.
Okay. And it's nice and sealed off.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Do you know what it's tuned to, your peak?
At door open, window down, it peaks at 33 hertz.
All right.
I don't know if I should start on your side, window down.
Do whatever's loud and you know it's good. Do your thing, man.
I'll do this one.
All right.
Give you some demo. Filter on it. Let me get my song real fast. It's 26 hertz.
Okay. Yeah. Hair trick. really good.
Appreciate it.
Especially, you can tell a difference with how the pressure works, the way you handle your windows. So.
Yeah, it do. I mean, like, I can have that sealed off, open this door, and it'll still, get down. But more likely, it just likes it.
Yes, sir.
Like it is, so.
Awesome.
Yes,
nice
sir.
to meet you again. Thank
Yes,
you for the
sir.
demo.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Nice upgrade too, and good luck with the new build that you're working on soon.
Yeah, the only thing I'm gonna do, the only thing different I'm gonna do next is just change the settings.
Okay. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.